everyone, I'm Marguerite and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be all about beauty tools, at-home beauty tools. So this is going to be a little guide to beauty tools, the ones I currently have, and maybe there's one that you guys possibly want to add to your routine. So to start off, I have the Foreo Luna device. This replaced my Clarisonic brush. This still has the sonic technology, meaning it's going to help penetrate products deeper into your skin, but this is more gentle. It's a nice gentle massage. I typically apply my cleanser directly to the brush, and I gently go in circular motions and massage my face. As it's vibrating, it just has a soft little vibrate, you know, you push it and it gives a little buzz that it's vibrating. And then the back side, you can apply this after you apply serums and your moisturizer. You turn it on and then wiggle it back and forth. And the vibration is just supposed to help push the product deeper into your skin. Honestly, I don't use the back, I just use the front side. I like how gentle it is, but it's still a step up from just using my fingers when I'm applying my cleanser. It's gonna exfoliate a little bit. It's very gentle, but the massage, they say it's supposed to help smooth out lines and wrinkles and just help product absorb faster. So I like this. I used to use the Clarisonic for like 9 years, but I found out it was just too tough and too rough for my face. So this replaced my Clarisonic. But I know this is very pricey. You can get this at any department store, Sephora, Ulta, but don't worry because there is a dupe on Amazon. So you turn it on. This is battery operated, whereas this you charge. And there's a plus. I guess it makes the vibration much stronger and faster. I honestly don't mess with that. I just use the typical setting they have, but this has two sides. I think this side, the bristles are a little bigger, but it's very comparable. Handheld. These are much larger, and use this side to massage. I think this is more deep cleansing option, and this is more for the skin, sensitive skin. So maybe if you have acne, you want to use the back side. But this is a great Amazon dupe. This is by Fancy Sonic Facial Brush, and I will link it below. So I think that's a great option to apply your cleanser and massage your face, and it definitely will exfoliate. It's supposed to help you if you have large pores. It kind of helps tighten your pores and just helps product absorb better. So that's my number one. That's my number one at-home facial device that I use every day. Number two is the Jade roller. This is the rose quartz. There's several different stones. I love using this as the last step in my routine. I find it very therapeutic. It's supposed to help with lymphatic drainage. So if you have a lot of puffiness, it's gonna help with that. This is gonna help get the blood pumping in your face because you're constantly rolling it. It's like a good massage for your face, and by massaging your face, you're getting the blood flow going, which in turn will give you a glow. So it's also supposed to help your product absorb better. I also have a beauty tool that I got on Amazon, and it has two little balls on the end, and I use this along my jawline. This I stick in the freezer too, so it's very cold. But I use this along my jawline, especially because I have a lot of jaw pain, and it's good for lymphatic drainage if you're into that as well. So I think facial roller is great to add to your routine. You can easily get it on Amazon. It's very relaxing. And then I got this off of Amazon. This is by Youth Lab. This is a spot on dupe for the Nurse Jamie roller. So this one, you can see the top fully rolls around, and it has little rocks or little stones, whatever, little knobs to help give you a deeper massage. So this is also a facial roller. And I alternate between, I use this in the AM when I really just want to kind of, I do find that it helps sculpt your face a little, you know, if you're rolling, you always want to roll away from your face. So that upward motion, I just find that it helps kind of tone your skin and helps get the blood flowing, so I look like I have more of a glow. Another great beauty tool that I love is just this razor. This is the Twinkle Eyebrow Razor, but I use this to scrape off all the dead skin on my face and hairs and tiny little hairs. So this is equivalent to dermaplaning. This is literally like $3 for a pack of 3 for this little eyebrow razor, but it's just a single blade. You want to be very careful. I have a video on this I did several years ago, but once your face is completely dry right after you cleanse and tone, then you just gently pull your skin top and then scrape and short little strokes. You don't want to do long strokes. You can cut yourself. You do short little strokes. And it's going to scrape off all the dead skin. You don't realize, but we all have dead skin on as the top layer of our skin, especially if you're not exfoliating or using a device to help exfoliate or a washcloth. And we all have a lot of hair, so you'll notice, I notice after I do this, it makes my skin so much smoother, makeup applies smoother. And you know, the biggest myth is people are afraid to do this because they think their hair is just going to grow back so much thicker and coarser and darker, and that's not true. Your hair DNA is already predetermined. So does your leg hair come back thicker, darker, coarser? No, it doesn't. It's going to come back. It's not going to prevent the hair from coming back. I don't notice that it grows back faster. It would just grow back normally, but I especially don't notice my mustache any darker. Then I do the mustache area at least once every 2 weeks, but your whole face you only want to do once a month. It's just too abrasive. You don't need to be shaving your face that much. I mean, I know guys do, but like us women, we don't need to be shaving our face that much. I just think doing this once a month is enough. And then another at-home device I love is this. This is the Nuface toning device. I got this from Sephora. So this is a microcurrent device, meaning it sends microcurrents into your skin to help turn over the collagen production, and it's supposed to help smooth out wrinkles, but most importantly, it tones your face. You always have to apply a gel product with it to help the microcurrent glide on smoothly and absorb, but also to prevent you from getting shocked. Like, you'll get shocked if you just go directly on your skin. It's not turned on right now. But it came with this. This is extremely pricey, so I typically just use an aloe vera gel, honestly, or you could go on Amazon and get like the ultrasound gel. I've seen people use that because it's much cheaper. You just need a gel product. I've even seen people do this as the last step of their skincare, like after they did an oil. I'm too scared. I still notice it tingling and zapping, so I just do a gel. But you turn it on, and then I'm going to turn it off because I'm not demonstrating this right now. But you start at the bottom, and then you gently go up, and you'll hear it beep, and that's when you move on to the center. You wedge this in the center of your cheek, and then to the top, where the top of your cheekbone is in between it. And you repeat that 3 times. Then you move on to this side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then forehead. Just go up, from eyebrow up, eyebrow up. And repeat that 3 times. The inventors of this said, think of it like exercise. You do this Monday through Friday, and it's exercising your facial muscles. It's helping tighten them and just helping to tone your face. So I immediately notice results when I do this. I don't do this every day. There's a little bit of controversy with this product. Like, some people have read, like, I'm a person who loves to read just negative reviews on products because I'm just curious, like, what went wrong, what people don't like about it. So for this, it has a lot of negative reviews. People saying it gives you that metal taste in your mouth after you use it. I've experienced that, and I think that's kind of weird. You want to be careful with microcurrent if you have any heart issues, because some people have said it made their heart race fast, concerning things about that. So I just save this for if I have a special day, like if my husband and I are going out that night with friends, or if we have an event or a wedding. I'm going to do this before I put on my makeup after I've done my skincare routine, because it does instantly lift your face. I especially notice, like, the hollows right there, my cheekbones look more defined, and that hollow looks more like toned. So it really does make my face look more toned. So if you're doing this Monday through Friday, you take Saturday and Sunday off and then repeat it Monday through Friday. It's really going to make your face look more tight and like you have a facelift. So could be an interesting product for you to look into. I don't know if there's any dupes for this. I wouldn't recommend the dupe, but it is a powerful little device. So it's great if you want to tone your face. And then I have this lip scrub. I just got this from Sephora. I originally wanted the Nurse Jamie lip product, but I figured I'm not paying like $70 for a lip scrubber. So I found this from Sephora, 2-sided. So this is a deeper massage, and this is just a little bristles for your typical massage. But you just go over your lips. I did this in the AM. It's great for exfoliating your lips, but it instantly plumps your lips. It brings out blood flow to your lips, so it just helps your lips look a little fuller. So I like it. I definitely notice results immediately when I do this. It just helps your lips look a little plumper. It's not gonna make you look like, you know, your lips went up a couple sizes, but it definitely brings a blood flow to your lips. So I think this is a cool little gadget to have if you do want bigger lips, or you just want to look like you have a fuller pout that day before you apply a lipstick or something. Cool little tool. And lastly, this is the newest product I got by Mount Lai. I got this from Sephora. This is the Jade Gua Sha tool, and this is supposed to be better than, like, more effective than the Jade roller. It's supposed to be a deeper massager for your face, and you scrape your face as you go up. So this again is that, gives it that massage, helps product absorb better, but it really helps that lymphatic drainage and just helps lift the face without microcurrent. Like, this is a natural, this product I think has been around, this stone and this technique has been around for a long time, the gua sha. I think that's what the Jade roller kind of was based off of, but reviews I've read, people say they like this better. This is more effective than the Jade roller because you can get deeper in there, and there's different ways to use the stone. I do it after I apply my oil as the last step in my routine. So those are all my beauty products slash beauty tools that I use at home. I don't use these all at once, you know, I typically rotate, but for the most part I use this every night. I'll use the Jade roller at least 4 or 5 times a week because I just find it very relaxing as the last step in my routine. This once a month, the lip plumper like every day, and then this realistically like once or twice a month now, just for maintenance. So let me know if you guys have any other questions on beauty tools. I think I have the basics, you know, there's a lot of other gadgets you can get out there. Oh, I also have a steamer that I got from Amazon. That can be a cool tool, but you can also just go in the shower, you know. I know it can be overwhelming. There's so many tools out there, especially dupes on Amazon, and you wonder, are they effective? And a lot of them are effective. A lot of them can be very beneficial adding to your routine. You know, maybe you're just looking for more of a relaxing product, and I think the Jade roller would be good for you. I have the rose quartz, which is supposed to be good for rosacea and acne prone skin. You know, this is more relaxing product. Same with this. You will notice a difference with this because this will gently exfoliate. All these rollers are getting fancy, but I think they're fun. So if you're willing to, if you have that time, you know, there are benefits from doing the massage and the rollers to your face. I think there are immediate benefits to that as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.